This short in seconds, say what matters. India's unemployment rate fell to 5.2% in the July-September quarter from 5.4% in the previous quarter, government data released on 10 November 2025 showed. According to the Periodic Labour Force Survey, PLFS, by the Ministry of Statistics, rural unemployment dropped to 4.4% from 4.8%, aided by seasonal farm activity. Urban unemployment ticked up slightly to 6.9% from 6.8%. The overall labour force participation rate rose marginally to 55.1% from 55.0%, and female labour force participation increased to 33.7% from 33.4%. The worker population ratio, WPR, improved to 52.2% from 52.0%. The survey covered approximately 564,000 individuals, estimating 562 million persons employed during the quarter. The rise in rural employment is attributed to increased agricultural and allied sector work, while women's growing participation is seen as positive but fragile. Urban female unemployment rose to 9.0% from 8.9%. Self-employment in rural areas rose to 62.8% from 60.7%, while regular wage and salaried employment in urban zones edged up to 49.8% from 49.4%. Analysts say the data offers some comfort amid global economic uncertainties. However, they caution that underemployment, low productivity, and informal sector dominance remain structural challenges. The modest decline in overall unemployment reflects the impact of government schemes, steady demand in rural areas, and gradual recovery in manufacturing and services. For policymakers at the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lower unemployment offers potential room for flexible monetary policy, but lingering questions about wage growth and firm creation persist. The government must now focus on boosting formal jobs, skilling, and ensuring that the quality of employment improves, not just headline numbers. Source: Reuters. Think business, think Bizshort. Tap to subscribe.